Operation instructions. Let me explain to you the functions of a spray mop. Procedures for cleaning hospital wards before morning rounds. When cleaning the floor, a water spray mop can replenish water on the floor and effectively increase the mopping area. The spray bottle of the spray mop can be replaced, which can improve work efficiency. The long-haired polyester cover and water jet mop can effectively clean stains, such as wheel marks and footprints on the ground, acts as an eraser. Jinyijie's Quick Connect product series are interoperable, which can save procurement costs. The water spray mop can be used with a 2-in-1 glass scraper for glass cleaning. Airport restrooms have a heavy flow of passengers, and electrified hair dryers are not allowed. A water spray mop combined with a collodion floor scraper can effectively remove ground sewage, moisturize the floor and instantly scrape away stains. Parameters and design concepts. Product name: water spray mop. Purpose 1: cleaning and maintaining small areas of ground. Purpose 2: ground disinfection and sterilization work. Color: red, yellow, blue and green. Features: flexible handle rotation, power assisted operation, push type water spray design. The water spray is in the shape of a fan, and the width of the water mist is about 40 centimeters. The mop rod has a built-in linkage aluminum rod. The mop jug has a capacity of 500 milliliters. The kettle is equipped with a gravity ball, so the water spray mop can be operated from multiple angles. Note: do not pour electrostatic oil into the watering can.